Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday, where we have seen gold rising towards 23, 26, 27 zone, while silver is also seen close to $27 levels. The Fed Chairman Powell's speech has got the metals moving, and today again it's a data day. How to profit from that, where to enter, where to exit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you twice a day updates and targets with precision so that you can all profit. Yesterday, the buying entries on gold at 22.90 is played out well, and I hope you all profited. Now, let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. If you appreciate the effort, do like, share, and comment, friends. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold on the hourly charts. Moving averages crossing over here, suggesting that it is trying to turn bullish on the hourly charts. 2310 levels, 2308 is now going to be the support. This was the resistance earlier. Yesterday, we have mentioned that. And on the upside, see what we are seeing here is lower highs here and lower lows, trying to form a nice flag here. It is not trying to trade bearish and trying to trade in this sideways channel. Second point is also you should look at the channel gold has created on the hourly charts, and it is almost at peak, and thus it appears that the only buying entry we can take today in gold is about 23, 26, 28 zone. If it breaks beyond this, you can say that it is trying to turn bullish, and specifically about 23, 30, 32 first resistance zone, 23, 36, 38 the next, and if it breaks 23, 36, 38, you can say gold is turning bullish, else it is still not. On the hourly charts also you can see a reversal sign, one bearish candle, but yes, it has to now break below 23, 16, 18 zone, and then we can look forward to 10, 12 levels as the next targets. Let's have a further look. Stochastic has dropped sharply. MACD has retraced, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts. Likewise on the 2 hour charts here, trying to stay in the zone here and getting good resistance on the upside. Lower highs are getting created. We have to wait for it to break below 23, 14, 15 zone in order to confirm further bearishness. Now see, this is the zone for the support today at 2310 and 2300. These are going to be two key support levels for the day. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is divergent and bullish, trying to converge a bit here, which means couple of red candles. RSI is staying flat, suggesting neither bullishness nor bearishness. Coming to 3 hour charts, similar observation is seen here. It is almost seen the peak and now trying to reverse. Also, this is the first candle. Possibly we have to wait for the next candle, and if the next candle appears to trade bearish, we can look forward to 2310 as the first target, and below which you can look forward to further drop on the downside. Stochastic overbought. MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness looking upwards. RSI is near to comfortable levels, neither overbought nor oversold. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts we can see lower highs here, and see the preceding candle closed at bottom, and the current candle forming lower lows, trying to bounce back. Now this zone is completely no trade zone, 23, 26, 28 and 23, 16, 18, below which you can look forward to little drop. And see on the 4 hour charts also we must notice 2315, which is also a 20 period moving average, is also a very good. So now wait for gold to break below 2315, 14, and then we can look forward to 23 and lower levels. 2310 is going to be a very good support zone. The stochastic overbought. MACD, look at MACD just crossing over here, forming lower lows. See what I have mentioned yesterday. Look, the drop here, retracement, this was the main trend. Then I can say this is retracement because it has formed higher lows, and now it is looking upwards, suggestive of inherent bullishness in gold, and it can continue to trade bullish. RSI flat. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Register for it now. Reach out to me for details. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setup which we have crafted specifically for you, so that you can all benefit with our years of experience. Do join this journey. Cherish the learning for life. Else you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals. You can benefit. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you are paying higher fees to your brokers, you can be part of the recommended broker, which I have shared in the link in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads. It also offers a SEP-free account and the transactions and withdrawals are easy. Now see, the channel video is holding on good here. You can also see lower highs are getting created here. And yes, 23, 26, 28 is something you should watch out today. And then we have to wait for it to break beyond 23, 32 and then 23, 36, 38. 36, 38 is going to remain a critical resistance which may confirm further rise and bullishness, and at any point of time gold staying above 23, 50, 52 is a confirmation of a reversal where prices may try to move higher. How high? It can move towards 2380, in fact 2400 levels as well, but that appears to be a distant target. For today we have to be watchful as the data definitely may bring lot of much of volatility. Stochastic flat, look at MACD, this is trading with divergence, this is staying bearish, this is looking downwards, but the candles have flattened, suggested diminishing bearishness, which also calls for it to converge, which means bullish candles again. RSI has dropped sharply. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 23, 26, 28 zone, expected to move towards 23, 32 first target, 23, 36, 38 the next. If gold trades above 23, 36, 38, consider that the bulls are interested in gold, and then we can look forward to a rise close to 23, 50, 52 first targets, and beyond which the bulls will take care of the complete move. Right now, as long as 23, 36, 38 is not taken today, we should not be treating gold as bullish. On the downside, sell at 23, 14, 15, wait for 23, 10, 08 levels to be taken. Below 2308 is where we can say further bearishness is going to be seen, and we can expect gold to erase all the gains from yesterday, where we can look forward to 2298, 2291 and then 2280 levels, and in fact further lows are also possible where it can try to move towards 2271 and lower levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And friends, before leaving the video, please press the like button. It is always a great motivation. If I can put much of effort for you, you can press the like button at least and support the effort. Do share it across also. Look at the silver drop. It is under retracement. This is the retracement channel. Now it needs to break below 2640, 2635 levels or 2630 levels in order to confirm the breakdown, where 2620 is the first target, 26 the next, and then we can look forward to a sharper drop. If it drops below 26, you can say the bears are taking over. Right now I can see it is trying to consolidate and deliver higher lows and higher highs. So a selling entry today appears to be only and only if you see it is staying below 2640 levels. As long as 2640, 2630 zone is respected, we have to be careful. If you look at the moving averages, these are still bearish. Stochastic has fallen sharply. MACD has retraced. It is trying to cross over for sell. RSI flat. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation is seen here. Lower lows, lower highs, trying to trade in this bearish chart. And on the upside, if you see it is staying above 2680, certainly that is the time you can buy. Wait for 27. And yes, we have yesterday also I have mentioned 2740 is going to be the zone which is going to be the key resistance zone. The stochastic has fallen sharply. MACD is again trying to converge. RSI has dropped here sharply. Coming to 3-hour charts, also on the 3-hour chart, see first bearish candle in making, reversal, almost symmetrical move. I will wait for the next candle. The direction it takes with the next candle may going to remain the direction for the day. The stochastic flat. MACD, look at MACD. Yesterday also I have mentioned this is the main trend which is it has taken after sharp fall, then it has retraced, and now it is taking, see, higher lows, and now it is taken the uptrend again. So it is still bullish. Do not treat silver as bearish. RSI has dropped. As long as 2650, 2620 levels are not taken, $26 levels are not taken, we should be cautious with the sells on silver today. Now look at the 4-hour charts. 1 bullish candle and 3 retracement candle. The next candle is going to be something you should be watchful of. It can reverse the trend completely and again go bullish. See, the 3 candles have erased some of the gains from this candle, but it is still not breached the support levels, and thus I say only below 2640.35 you should treat this as bearish. Stochastic has dropped sharply. MACD is bullish. RSI is flat. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, yes, good support is seen here at 2640.30 zone, and that makes it a greater support zone. And right now we can see lower highs as well. So yes, above 2680 is where you can buy. We can expect it to move towards $27 levels, and any point of time silver breaking beyond 2720, 2740 is a confirmation of reversal. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish here, RSI is flat. Looking at this, I will recommend you to sell today at 2640, 2630 zone. Expect it to drop towards 2620 and $26 levels. Very good support zone. If it drops below 26, you can say now silver is turning bearish. It will take a pull towards 2575, 2550 levels as the next targets. On the upside, a buying entry I will recommend is only and only if you see silver is staying beyond 26. You can say 2680 levels, 2675, 2680, good resistance zone there. You can buy here, wait for it to break beyond 2695, 27, and then 2720, 2740, beyond which sky is the limit for silver. Take your positions accordingly. Wait for the next update before the data release, before the US session. Do join my mentorship batch and the Signals channel. Do like, share and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.